For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan has said India will have a vaccine for COVID-19 by early next year. The Union Minister added that there may be more than one source of the vaccine, which will be made available soon. We are expecting that early next year, we should have the vaccine in the country from maybe more than one source. Our expert groups are formulating strategies to plan on how to roll out the distribution of the vaccine in the country. Dr. Harsh Vardhan also issued a warning stating that there might be a possibility of increased COVID-19 transmission during winter. The possibility of increased novel coronavirus transmission during winters, as it is a respiratory virus and the transmission of respiratory viruses is known to increase during the colder weather. Harsh Vardhan's statement was reassuring as several COVID-19 vaccines are in different stages of trials in the country. The vaccines that are currently under development in India are mainly 2-dose and 3-dose vaccines. Vaccines that are under trial by the Serum Institute in India and the vaccine by Bharat Biotech require 2 doses. The vaccine that is being developed by Cadila Healthcare Vaccines requires 3 doses. The doses for several other vaccines are being tested as they are in pre-clinical trial stages. In India, 2 indigenously developed vaccine candidates by Bharat Biotech, which is in a collaboration with ICMR and other by Zydus Cadila Limited, are in phase 2 of the human clinical trials. Pune-based Serum Institute of India, which is in partnership with AstraZeneca for manufacturing the Oxford COVID-19 vaccine candidate, is in phase 2 and phase 3 human clinical trials. In the latest development, the COVID-19 vaccine candidate by Johnson & Johnson, which is in the advanced stage, was temporarily put on hold. The vaccine candidate was put on hold after it reportedly had an adverse effect on a participant. Johnson & Johnson was reportedly aiming to enroll 60,000 volunteers to prove if its single-dose approach is safe and protects against COVID-19. The company issued a statement saying that the unexplained illness is being investigated by the company. We have temporarily paused further dosing in all our COVID-19 vaccine candidate clinical trials, including the phase 3 Ensemble trial, due to an unexplained illness in a study participant. Accidents and other so-called adverse events are an expected part of any clinical study, especially large studies. Our physicians and a safety monitoring panel would try to determine the reason behind the illness. This is the second instance where a vaccine, which is in late-stage trials, was put on hold. AstraZeneca and Oxford University's vaccine testing is on hold in the US due to the illness reported during the trials.